Good morning, students. Today we are going to see Standard 6th Civics, Chapter number 4, Urban Local Government Bodies. So, in this chapter, 3 points we are going to discuss. 4.1, the Nagar Panchayat. 4.2, the Municipal Council. 4.3, the Municipal Corporation. In the previous chapter, we have studied the nature of local government bodies in the rural areas. In this chapter, we will learn something about the local government institution in the urban areas. This includes the Nagar Panchayat, the Municipal Council and the Municipal Corporation. So, before starting this chapter, we will discuss few points of previous chapter, that in third chapter of rural local government bodies. In that lesson, the 3 points we had discussed: the Gram Panchayat, the Panchayat Samiti and the Zilla Parishad. Under that, the union government, state government, about them we had discussed. About Sarpanch we had studied Gram Sevak, Gram Sabha, Panchayat Samiti and the participation of women in the Gram Sabha and the functions of Panchayat. All these points we had discussed. Also, we had discussed about the Chief Executive Officer and functions of Zilla Parishad. Today, we are going to see urban local government bodies. In that, Nagar Panchayat, what is Nagar Panchayat, Municipal Council and Municipal Corporation, that we are going to see. So, let's start with the chapter. Our country has a large number of towns and cities and they are growing rapidly. Villages are growing into towns and towns into cities and cities into metropolises. So this is the sequence that our country day to day it is developing. It is being progressed. So as the small villages they are converting into towns, towns are converting into cities and cities are converting into metropolitan cities, that is metropolises. The rural areas, neighboring cities are also getting transformed. Also, the neighboring other cities, they are getting connected to each other. As by the combination of two or more cities, it will form a metropolitan city, where facilities will be more and functions will be more. Let's see facilities and problems in cities. Facilities are opportunities for industry and business. Expanding service sector, large-scale opportunities for jobs, availability of facilities for entertainment, art, culture, and many more. These all are the facilities of cities. So, different opportunities for business we can get. Our service sectors can be expanded. And different job opportunities are available in the cities. Also, entertainment facility, different art, culture, and many other facilities are available. Now let's see what are the problems in the cities. Shortage of housing, as due to more population, the people moving from village to cities, due to which the population in the cities increases, due to which there we find the shortage of housing. Second one is insufficient space, as same reason. Traffic congestion, due to more population, traffic congestion can be taking place. Problem of disposal of waste, increasing crime, a large proportion of population in slums increases. These all are the problems in the cities. As the population increases in the cities, there is scarcity of places or houses creates, due to which the slum areas increases in that area. Let's see what is Nagar Panchayat. The villages that are in the process of becoming towns have a Nagar Panchayat. We see some areas which are neither fully rural nor fully urban. In such areas, the local government body is the Nagar Panchayat. As with other local bodies, election to a Nagar Panchayat are held every 5 years. The elected members choose a president and a vice president from among themselves. So Nagar Panchayat, the village that are in the process of becoming towns. There we find the Nagar Panchayat, where this place is not a village and not also a town. It is in the mid part, means the village is going to convert into a town. That, like that places, the Nagar Panchayat is formed. So here also they had given which are neither fully rural or nor fully urban. A semi-governmental seat, that is Nagar Panchayat. In such areas, the local government bodies is the Nagar Panchayat. And the other part, the members are elected for 5 years. The duration of the Nagar Panchayat is of 5 years. President and Vice President is elected to rule for the government of Nagar Panchayat. Let's discuss what are the main problems that cities face. One content they had given, according to it we have to find out the answer for the given one. Reshma had spent a wonderful Diwali vacation with her relatives in the city. However, she began to think that some of her experiences think along with Reshma about these incidents and write your thoughts in 2 paragraphs. The siren of the ambulance sounded loud and clear, but there was no freeway on the road. So what do you think what we have to do? As ambulance is meant to transport a patient who is in a serious condition, to take that patient to hospital. The patient needs immediate treatment in a hospital, so we have to give away to the ambulance. As a result of the decision to cut the water supply, there was a great crowd at the water supply tankers. So here, the population of the big cities like Mumbai has increased manifold as people migrate from the village to Mumbai city for employment, for job opportunities. So there is an acute shortage of water due to inadequate rainfall. People in the slum areas have to depend on water tankers to get water. Everyone here, they are struggling to get water and they quarrel, they start fighting among them. So the women and the old people and physical handicap do not get water. Their families suffer to collect water or to get water as they want water. Thus, life of the poor is miserable in cities. It is difficult for the poor people to survive in the cities due to shortage of space and the facilities which are going to get there in the city. Efforts were being made to provide facilities to senior citizens and small children in the parks. Here, this was a good decision made by the local government as it shows awareness regarding provisions and other creations development for the cities. Also, the small children will have place to play and the senior citizen will be able to walk around in the public park and rest thereafter. They will thank the local government for showing consideration for their well-being. One more question they had given here. All local government bodies have to carry out some essential functions. What, according to you, are the essential functions of the Nagar Panchayat? Collect information about the essential functions of the Nagar Panchayat and write down in your classwork. Let's see the second part. The Municipal Council. The Municipal Council is the local government body for small cities. Election to the council are held every 5 years. The elected representatives function as councillor. As per the recent change in the act relating to Municipal Council, the president is elected directly by the people. There is a provision to hold the election of the president simultaneously with the general election of the council. So under this, the Municipal Council, this is the local government body for small cities, and here After every 5 years, the election is taken, and according to it, a councillor is chosen, and according to it, a representative functions of the councillors are as per the recent changes. The act relating to the municipal council, the president is elected directly by the people, and according to it, the government of the municipal council function. There is a provision to hold the election of the president simultaneously with the general elections of the council. The president of the municipal council is the chairman of all its meetings. He controls the working of the council and keeps a watch on the financial administration of the council. So, president is he becomes the chairman of all its meetings of the municipal council, and he have the control over the working of the council, and he keeps a watch over the financial and he administrates the situation of the council. In the absence of the president, the vice president looks after the work of the council, and if any situation arises or if the president is busy at that condition, the vice president can take the decisions or can lead towards the working of the president. There are some functions that are binding on the council. There are known as obligatory function, for example, lighting of public street, providing drinking water, public hygiene, sewage disposal, registration of birth, death, marriage, etc. These all are the functions with the council, and these are the obligatory functions to which the municipal council is bound. The municipal council also tries to provide additional facilities to the people, and these functions are known as discretionary functions. So now the facilities of the people and their functions, they are totally combining to this. They are known as discretionary functions. Planning new public roads and acquiring the necessary land, improving the condition of slums, creating public gardens and parks, providing secure shelters for the cattle are some of the discretionary functions of the municipal council. So these are the facilities which comes under the municipal council. That all is known as discretionary functions, and they are to be provided by the municipal council to the public. Do you know? For every municipal council, there is a chief officer. He implements the decision taken by the municipal council. There are several officers who assist him. Would you like to become such an officer? If you become a health officer, what functions would you perform? Think about this question and write a note in your classwork. And after completing the exercise, you have to send the photos of these two questions also. That previously I had asked that write the functions, essential functions of the Nagar Panchayat. That one also I am going to see. And the other one, if you become a health officer, what functions would you perform? This one you have to write by yourself in your classwork. Let me see how you can write. What would you do? First one, when you hand over your household waste to the waste picker. So what you will do in this situation? I will separate wet and dry garbage and I will give to the waste picker. The road is waterlogged as the water pipe has broken. So what you do in this situation? I will ring up a municipal office and inform about this mishap. You notice that unclean, impure water is being used for pani puris. What you will do in this situation? I will desist from eating pani puri. Many people are throwing plastic bags from the bridge into the river. In this situation, I will request them not to throw the waste in the river as it contaminates water. I will inform them that the local authority has made provisions to collect the waste. So we should not have to throw any plastic bags into the rivers. The municipal council's program to clean the slum areas has been published in the newspaper, but you think that one of the planned action is improper. So what you do in this situation? While appreciating the slum improvement program, will bring the erroneous action to the notice of the competent authority by addressing a letter. So if it is not proper, so we can suggest our action against to this to the publisher, so they can provide your suggestion or they can give you suggestion to the authorities. Appeal from the municipal council, calling all citizens to make the following measures to stop breeding of mosquito and curb the spread of dengue. Do not stack old tires, coconut shells, empty cans or boxes on your terrace or around your house. This is the measure to control the mosquito of dengue by spreading in our area. In case of persistent fever, go to a doctor without delay. If you feel that we are having fever, so immediately we have to go to doctor without delaying it. Keep your surrounding clean. We have to keep our surrounding clean. In response to the above, what you do in your house and in the surrounding. So what we do? What you will do in this situation, you will dispose of the empty bottles and drums and other garbages from time to time. You will take the initiative to ensuring that the locality remains clean. In case if your neighbors or son is down with high temperature, you have to advise them to take them to the municipal hospital for immediate treatment. These measures we can take. Let's see the next point, municipal corporation. The local body that provides different services to the people in big cities is called municipal corporation. So, the government which works in the big cities or the government which gives services in the big cities is known as municipal corporation. The first municipal corporation in Maharashtra was established at Mumbai. So, the first municipal corporation was established in Mumbai. Find out in how many cities of Maharashtra state is the administration carried out through corporation. So, find out the answer for this question from internet. In which year was the municipal corporation of your city established? So, many work I had given you to complete it. So, without fail, you have to find the answers of these two questions. And before this, I had given more 2 questions. Means total 4 questions answers you have to find from the internet. Collect the answers and write it down in your classwork. The total number of members of a municipal corporation is determined so as to be in proportion to the population of the city. The elections to the corporation are held every 5 years. So as like the municipal council and the other government, every 5 years the elections are taken down for the municipal corporation also. The elected members are known as corporator. So the person who we are going to elect, that will call as corporator. They elect a mayor and a deputy mayor among themselves. The mayor is considered to be the first citizen of the city. He presides over all meetings of the corporation. So a mayor and deputy mayor is elected among themselves, and the meetings of the corporations are held over in the consideration of these 2 people. Many important issues regarding the city are discussed here, and discussions regarding the development of the city are made in the general body meeting of the corporation. So the facilities which to be provided in the city, they are discussed in this municipal corporation meetings. According to the changes introduced in the election process of the municipal corporation, multi-members wards are created. From each ward, not less than 3 and not more than 5 members are elected. The voter can cast as many votes as the number of members to the elect from the ward. Thus, a voter can cast 4 votes if 4 members are to be elected from the ward. So, this is the process to contest an election in a area. The cities, they are divided into different wards, and according to them, more than 5 members are elected for the ward, and the voter can cast as many votes to the number of members according to the given ward. The committees of the corporation carries out its work through different committees. Some of the important committees are Education Committee, Health Committee, Transport Committee and other men, etc. That means other committees. So these are the committees which works under the municipal corporation. Administration of the corporation. The municipal commissioner is the head of the administration of the corporation. He is responsible for the implementing the decisions taken by the corporation. For example, if a corporation takes the decision of putting a ban on the use of plastic bags, then the actual implementation of this policy is done by the commissioner. So the corporation, the municipal corporation have to take the decisions, and according to it, the commissioner have to take the actions on the provided policy of the municipal corporation. He also prepares the annual budget of the corporation and remains present for the general body meetings. The commissioner have to be present for the general meetings so that he or she can collect the information about the policies which are to be made for the cities. Try this. Form an education committee for your class. The committee should have an equal number of boys and girls as representatives. They should discuss the following issues and prepare a report. Facilities in the classroom. A proposal for setting up a small library for the class. Organizing a sports competition. So, now a time we are not in school and we are also not celebrating any competitions in the school, or we are not contesting the competitions. So, we cannot complete this activity. When we will come to school and we will start all this content, that time we will try to write a report on it. Do you know? The proportion of women in the total population is nearly half. Yet, very few women are seen to take part in the working of the government, as the women's participation in the government is very less. So, it is important to help the women to come forward for the election, so that the issues of women can be raised without any fear. Women handle issues like food, energy, water every day as a part of their daily routine, but they had no say in the discussion regarding these issues. A woman take care of the water in the house, but she did not participate in dealing with water issue. With 50% reservation for women in the local bodies, they now have got an opportunity to resolve important issues, as we had got 50% reservation as a woman to participate in the government bodies. So now a time the women are also got the right to have to participate in the elections also, and to be a member of the municipal corporation or municipal council. From the list given below, identify the functions of corporation and make a list. So here, functions of municipal corporation they had given. Water supply, providing electricity. Just you have to find out from this, and you have to prepare a list of what work can be there. Water supply, providing electricity for the street, registration of the birth, death and marriages, elementary education, police, fire brigade, deciding the railway timetable, demolition of unauthorized construction, providing information about dangerous building, public transport in cities, protecting the borders of the country, protection of environment. We have to select from this, we have to list out, and we have to find out the functions of the corporation, and we have to make a list. So from this content, I will tell you the functions of municipal council as lighting public street. This will come under the work of the municipal corporation. This is one of the function. The another function is planning for social and economic development. Another urban forestry and protection of the environment will come under the municipal council. Registration of birth and deaths, restore or demolish the construction or dangerous buildings, and providing facilities for primary education, that is elementary education, providing public dispensaries, medical aid should be provided. Another, making proper arrangements for symmetric burial grounds, that is providing information about the dangerous building and demolition of unauthorized constructions also will come under this. Providing drinking water, making proper arrangements for sewage and drainage, proper firefighting services, this all will come under the functions of municipal. Collection of taxes. Here sources of revenue of the corporation they had given: house tax, property tax, water tax, profession tax, entertainment tax, raising loans, state government grants. These all are the taxes which are the source of municipal corporation. What did you feel on reading this? What did you feel on reading this? The metro will soon run in your city. So, I'm happy that our municipal corporation is starting metro, as it will partially solve the problem of insufficient public transport and traffic congestions in the city. Permission has been given for the construction of a 24-story building. I am upset about permission granted to construct a 24-story building, as only rich could afford to buy flats in such building. Not only that, the building will built on a site which has rendered my fathers jobless when the textile mills was closed down. So this situation will be difficult, that the normal people will not be able to purchase the houses of this 24-story building, as many different problems we are seeing in the areas. Garden and leisure centers will be established in every ward. So in this, I feel that this is a good decision, because the public parks are lungs of the city that provide fresh air. I will be able to play with my friends, and my grandparents will have a place to spend time with their friends. So it is good for the public. Action will be taken against those who are purified water to water the gardens or to wash their cars. So this is very good decision, because using drinking water for gardening and washing cars is a criminal wastage of precious water. This is a timely action in the time of acute shortage of water in our city. So we have to take the actions, those who are using our precious water for washing cars and garden. It has been made compulsory to dispose of wet garbage within one locality. This is a good decision. It will ease the burden of the disposal of the garbage. The processing of wet garbage will provide compost or green fertilizer for the public park in our area. Old age homes will be constructed for the benefit of senior citizen. This is a distressing but a wise decision. This decision is distressing because our grandparents would have to leave house and go to old age home. So this is a bad news for us. However, it is a wise decision because our parents do not find time to cater to their physical and emotional needs. The corporation has refused permission for any construction work that would require the cutting down of the trees. Yes, the corporation have to refuse the permission for which the construction have to require the cutting of the trees, because trees will provide us oxygen and will maintain the balance of the environment. So the trees should not be cut down for construction basis. It has implemented many programs to control the spread of disease like dengue, swine flu, etc. Yes, the program should be implemented to control the dengue, swine flu and other diseases, so our public or our society will be healthy. Modernize the fire brigade. Yes, we have to modernize our fire brigades, because in emergency rapid action we have to take. So for that case, a fire brigade should be modernized. Inspected the weighing scales in the vegetable markets. Yes, the inspection of the weighing machines should be also done in the vegetable market, so that the public will get a correct weight of the products which they are going to purchase from the market, that of the vegetables or other fruits. So the next content, do this. Find out the hospital run by the municipal council or corporation in your area. What facilities are offered to the patients there? What is the person required to do if she or he wants to take treatment there? If you are taking treatment in municipal council or municipal corporation, you can get more information this from your parents. If you are taking treatment in the public areas, tree chart they had given. Let's see. Local government bodies of urban, it works at 3 stages: Nagar Panchayat, Municipal Council and Municipal Corporation. Strength of the members: Nagar Panchayat is minimum 9 and maximum 15. For Municipal Council, minimum 17, maximum 38. For Municipal Corporation, the total number of members in proportionate to the population. According to the population, the members will be elected in the Municipal Corporation. Office bearers, here in Nagar Panchayat, President and Vice President works. In Municipal Council, President and Vice President are elected and they work for the Municipal Council. In Municipal Corporation, Mayor and Deputy Mayor see the working of the Municipal Corporation. Officials, Executive Officer works under the Nagar Panchayat, and Chief Officer works under the Municipal Council, and Commissioner, he works under the Municipal Corporation. Do you know what is meant by reservation? Why is it necessary? Out of the total number of seats to which people elect their representatives in a Gram Panchayat, Panchayat Samiti and Zilla Parishad, Municipal Council and Municipal Corporation, some seats are reserved for members of the scheduled caste, scheduled tribes and the backward class of citizen. Only members from that specific category can be elected to the reserved seat. This is known as the reservation of seats. Also, out of the total number of seats, half of the seats are reserved for women. Reservation is necessary as it allows to deprive section of the society and women to take part in the working of village and cities and to participate in the decision-making process. In a democracy, it is important that all the people get an opportunity to participate in all processes. So, in this way, we had completed our 4th chapter, Urban Local Government Bodies. Complete the given exercise and also find out the questions and answers from the lessons which I had told you to find out, and write it down in your classwork. Before writing all this, read the chapter once again. That's all for today. Thank you.